welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This is for the June 2022 bags, which, hey, we are kind of sort of almost caught up to real time at this point. So I got two of the same bag. There was like 3 different ones you could get. I think I got the watermelon ones for both, but that is okay because I love the watermelon aesthetic. So the theme was show your colors since, Pride Month. Summer's coming in hot. Turn up the heat with bold styles and vibrant shades that show what makes you one of a kind. After all, there's no hue as unique as you. Hell yeah, we actually have the stuff, the info, yay! So anyway, in no particular order, we have a brush by LaRouche or LaRouche or something. And this is a LR120 tapered blending brush in gray. It's full size and $28 for this one brush, so good stuff. This tapered brush has soft synthetic bristles that effortlessly blend your powder products for a diffused finish. It's the perfect size and shape for blending your shadow into the crease of your lids and your highlighter on your nose and brow bone. Tip: use this brush with your eyeshadows to blend transition shades or layer on colors. Is it labeled what it is on the actual brush itself? Yes, it is. It is. Which is always a plus in my book. And next, from Nomad Cosmetics, we have the Iceland Fire and Ice Intense Eyeshadow in Gallows Lava. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size version is $39. So not only does this ultra-pigmented shimmery green eyeshadow look absolutely stunning on lids, it's easy to blend and build whether you apply it with your fingers or a brush. Plus it's infused with cloudberry seed oil to moisturize and help protect your skin too. Tip: use your fingers or a brush to apply it to your lids for longer lasting color prep with an eye primer. You know, like you would do with eyeshadow anyway. Let's see it. Ooh, okay. So actually, like, it is not picking up on camera quite the way it looks in real life, but there is an almost bluey kind of glitter in there that, for whatever reason, does not want to pick up on the camera, but that is really stunningly gorgeous. I can't wait to play with that one. That one looks fun. So next, we have, what is this? The Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil in Mercy. And it's full size and it's $13 and is dark purple. Ooh. No smears or smudges here. Bullshit we saw with the black one. This creamy purple pencil sets to a waterproof finish, so whatever eye look you create will look fresh for hours and hours, through sweat, tears, rain, you name it. Tip: use on your waterline for definition or blend out along your lash line for a smoky effect. Or, let your lids eat it, like mine so like to do with this. Just saying. Just saying. So I'm going to just stick that here for now. Next, we have from Dew of the Gods, the Froze Iced Rose Body Scrub. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $22. Inspired by our favorite and most Instagrammable cocktail, the sea salt scrub leaves our body silky, smooth, and ready for summer. It's also infused with jojoba oil and strawberry seed oil to nourish your skin while you sloth. Tip: work the scrub over your entire body 2 or 3 times a week to exfoliate dead skin. And it is blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. Which I think is just so dang cool that is like their selling point, is that all their products are blessed by Buddhist monks. Like, don't ask me the logistics of how they manage that, but that is their thing. Then the last one in this bag is from We Are Fluid 7 Free Polish in Starquake. So are we getting the glitter? Yeah, it's like rainbow glitter that's in the black. So, full size, $15. Say hello to your new fall mani go-to. This shimmery, dark purple shade feels edgy, glam, and totally on trend for cooler months. The best part, it's a 7-free formula, which means it doesn't have some potentially harmful ingredients found in many nail polishes. Tip, use a base coat first, then apply 2 thin coats of polish, then follow with a top coat. AKA, how you wear nail polish. Okay, so that was all that was in the first bag. So in the second bag, we have the second bag, which, like I said, identical. Does this one have the info? It does! Oh my gosh, when was the last time we had both of them actually have the info? Like, my goodness, I am stupidly excited about that. Okay, so we have, I think this is the same brush, if I am not mistaken. Taper blending. Yeah, they're the same brush, but that's okay. Can always use more brushes. Especially when I'm feeling lazy and don't feel like washing them just yet. Just pull a new one from the pile. Although that means eventually I have to get around to it, but okay. So, Nomad Cosmetics, Nomad, and Iceland Fire and Ice Intense Eyeshadow in Alfheim. Not only does this ultra-pigmented lavender chrome eyeshadow look absolutely stunning on the lids, it's easy to blend and build whatever you apply it with, or whether you apply it with your fingers or a brush. Plus it's infused with cloud blurs, blah 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 blah, all the same shit as the other one, just as purple. So let us see the purple. Ooh, okay. So the picture in the little thing made me think it was going to be a slightly different shade than that, but that's actually really pretty. I think I like it more than what I thought I was getting, so that works for me. Heck yeah, both of those are winners in my book. Man, I kind of want to look up the full palette that both of those are from, because apparently it's good stuff. Okay, we have another dupe of the Dew of the Gods Froze thing, which, I mean, hey, between the two, probably have something starting to approximate towards full-sized. And then we have, also from Lovecraft Beauty, but it's a different color. This one is Piercer. And it is a metallic silver. Let's see it. Since it's gel, I have to be real careful when opening it. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's gonna be trippy as shit to wear, actually. Okay, I'll keep both of those together up here. And then finally, the last product is Half-Caked Mirror Mirror Highlighter in Fortune Faded. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is $14. Candlelit Glow has nothing on this highlighter. This buttery soft, luminous, rosy copper powder melts right into your skin for a high-impact sheen that catches the light from every angle, no glitter required. Tip, dust it with a brush or wet it with a setting spray to amp up the shine. That is a bit darker than I typically use, but I mean, I have used some darker highlighters before and found ways to make them work, so I'll have to see what it looks like on and on different parts of my face, because sometimes it'll work on certain, like, portions of the face, but not others, if that makes sense. So like I said, I'll just have to play with it and see. But anyway, that's what I got in my June Ipsy just base glam bags, so hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddit, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.